Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the Z Show. Uh, let's see here. Let me get back over here real quickly. Well, today's episode, we have we have Nancy Pulaski, the one that dentures are falling out when she speaks, and then you have the penguin uh, Nadler. Oh, Nadler. And then you have Shippy Schiff. Shippy Schiff, Turtleneck is, they're going to be managers as a impeachment managers. That's, wow. So you got Nancy Stretch Pulaski, the Penguin Niddler, Shippy Schiff, Turtleneck Schiff, and then you have uh, some woman that did the Nixon and the Clinton impeachment trial, whatever you want to call it. So those are the managers. Wow. So it's like the Legion of Doom. The Legion of Doom. Oh, that is funny, hilarious. Once again, Nancy Stretch Pulaski, the one to wear dentures to get ready to fall out. Then you have the Penguin Nadler. And then you have Shippy Schiff, Turtleneck Schiff, and then you have two other people that I don't even know. One's Crow, and the other one is Lofton, and the other one is Garcia. Wow. So that is the Legion of Doom, aka the impeachment managers. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Um, by the way, I gotta get ready to go. I have a friend out set up her Facebook page for her business, so hopefully I'll be back before they go to the house and send the impeachment papers to the Senate. Oh, it's gonna be a wild 2 weeks. The circus is back in town. Don't forget, you haven't subscribed to this channel? Go ahead and do it. I'm going to be doing a trial live because that's going to be fun. So hopefully you enjoyed my comments. Don't forget to subscribe down there and hit that button. Bing. And I will see y'all when I see you. Don't forget, do not drink and drive and do not hang around the knuckleheads who do. I'm out.